Today is our first pea harvest day for 2021. We planted these peas on April 1st and we used the Penelope variety. The amount we planted was 2 pounds of seeds. Everybody is in the garden to help this morning. Even the dogs are excited. They think peas are a great treat. This is the first picking, so we will pick only the fat ones and leave the skinny ones for another day. So we're all done picking. It took us about an hour to pick these peas and we got about 2 bushels of them. And then comes the shelling part. Everybody has a dish and we sit around and play word games while we shuck the peas. To clean out any leaves or blossoms or debris from the peas, I fill the dish with water and the blossoms will float to the top. And then we strain them into my blancher. So then I fill the blancher with water, filling it to about the same level as the peas or just below the level of the peas. And then we're going to put this on the stove and heat it until it comes to a rolling boil. As soon as it comes to a rolling boil, you want to take the peas off of the heat and put them into cold water. You'll want to get them cooling as fast as possible. Once your peas are cool, you'll want to put them into your containers for the freezer. I'm using gallon freezer bags here. The pigs are happy for all the pea shells.